Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will demonstrate how to wire a door strike to a LiftMaster EL2000, EL2000SS, EL1SS, or EL25 telephone entry system. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. For demonstration purposes, we will connect a door strike to our EL2000SS using relay number 2. Your product may look different. Door strikes can be connected to any of the 4 relays. Be sure to configure the selected relay for use as a door strike in the programming for the telephone entry system. Disconnect all power to the telephone entry system and any devices attached. You will need the following items: a door strike, a power transformer for the door strike, 18-gauge wire, a Siemens S10K30 MOV for AC power, or a 1N4005 diode for DC power, and any connectors required to complete electrical connections. Do not use the telephone entry system to power the door strike, no matter which door strike you choose. The door strike must have a separate power transformer. You will need to connect either an MOV or a diode depending on whether the power transformer is AC or DC. Let's get started. Connect 18-gauge wire to relay 2 on the telephone entry system, with one wire connecting to the normally open terminal and the other wire connecting to the common terminal. If the door strike uses an AC power transformer with the door strike, connect a Siemens S10K30 MOV to the common and normally open terminals on relay 2. It's best to solder the MOV leads to the wire leads. If the door strike uses a DC power transformer, connect a 1N4005 diode to the common and normally open terminals on relay 2. It's best to solder the diode leads to the wire leads. Label the other end of the wire according to the connection. The cathode side of the diode with the white stripe connects to the positive lead. The anode side of the diode connects to the negative lead. The polarity is intentionally reversed, so follow this wiring scheme exactly. Connect either of the wires from the door strike to the normally open wire from the telephone entry system. Connect the other wire from the door strike to the negative wire from the power transformer. Connect the positive wire from the power transformer to the common wire from the telephone entry system. You may now reconnect power to the telephone entry system. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.